92.9 The Game.
Sports Radio 92.9 The Game.
John and Hugh, mornings.
We are joined this morning, as we are every week at this time, by the general manager of the Atlanta Hawks, Travis Schleifer. Hey, Travis.
Trav.
Gentlemen, how you guys doing today?
Pretty good, pretty good. Well, me, Trav, you know I got hair now. I went to North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and I got some hair.
I didn't know that. Congratulations.
Yeah, I got me some hair now, Trav. Yeah, because, you know, I mean, I got hair now. I got hair. I just wanted to share.
As somebody without hair, I can appreciate how excited you sound.
John and Hugh mornings.
Or catch up anytime with the radio.com app.
You never know when winter's going to rear its icy head. So make sure you're fully equipped with enough all-wheel drive courage to put the bitter cold in its rightful place. And with so many cold-conquering cars and SUVs, winter might just have to keep an eye out for you this year. Head into your local Kia dealer and get great deals on our new lineup of all-wheel drive vehicles like the 2021 Sportage, Telluride,
Oh, look, he's really done damage as well.
Oh, he has too. Oh,
Yeah,
the whole suspension's gone.
Yeah.
Just go past him.
I am.
Oh dear.
I'm straight from back in the day. I'm straight from back in the
that stormed the Capitol weren't Trump supporters or MAGA supporters or anything of the sort.
Wow. Hey, I would highly.
I thought I was on the bunker over there.
Yeah.
Next thing I knew, I'm off.
I would recommend calling a tow truck or something, because if not, you're gonna f that axle, and that's gonna cost you a couple $1,000 bucks.
It's already nothing.
I mean,
No way my underneath survived.
I mean, it could, as long as you don't rock it back and forth, it should be okay, but you don't want to break that axle. Well, that sucks.
No, don't do that. Are you serious? Like,
Oh, yeah.